now let's look at the settings. The HydroStat operates much like an older aquastat control. So if you're using a HydroStat on a boiler equipped with a tankless coil for heating domestic hot water, you will want to maintain a low limit temperature to keep the coil hot at all times. To do so, simply turn the low limit dial clockwise until the desired temperature is displayed. For proper operation, the low temperature setting should be at least 10 degrees below the high limit setting. If your boiler does not have a tankless coil and will be used for heating only, this dial should remain in the off position, factory setting, which is fully rotated counterclockwise. The high limit is factory set at 190 degrees Fahrenheit. To adjust, turn the high temp dial until the desired setting is displayed. The range is 100 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting the economy feature. The economy feature is factory set for a one-zone heating system. To adjust, turn the economy dial until the number displayed equals the number of heating zones. Do not include indirect water heaters in the number of heating zones. The economy feature uses a proprietary algorithm called thermal targeting to conserve fuel by reducing boiler water temperature whenever possible, without sacrificing heating comfort. Do not use the economy mode if the boiler is equipped with a tankless coil. Thermal targeting can calculate temperatures that are too low for tankless coil operation. We'll cover more on thermal targeting later. Z and I switch with ZC-ZR functionality. When the ZI switch is set to the Z position, which refers to zone heating, the ZC-ZR terminals can be used in a traditional way for controlling external zone relays, especially when a tankless coil is present. When the ZI switch is set to the I position, which refers to indirect heater, the ZR terminal is used to set domestic hot water priority. Whenever there is a call for domestic hot water, the indirect simply returns 120 volts to the ZR terminal to establish the priority cycle. During priority, the heating circulator is de-energized and terminal C1 is off. The economy override bypasses the economy feature and the burner will run to the high limit set point. Any call from the indirect water heater will get priority over zone heating for up to 45 minutes. The test settings button located on top of the control is multifunctional. It can be used to test the low water cutoff function, to check the control's settings, and to set the plus feature options. To test low water cutoff, press and hold the test settings button for 5 seconds. The display will read LCO, the red low water light will illuminate, and the burner circuit B1 and B2 will de-energize. Note that the control must be installed with a hydro level electro well for low water cutoff functionality. To view current settings, press and release the test set button in short intervals to sequentially display the following settings. High limit setting will display at HL. Low limit setting is represented by LL. Economy setting is ECO, and the current target temperature will display in Fahrenheit or Celsius.